Gold yesterday created a bullish candle. It was a bullish breakout, which I have mentioned that there it's a very important resistance level that needs to be broken, and the price has done just that. Yesterday I have also shared the inside the premium analysis with the traders when the breakout happened, where the price is heading, and also the target was around here to 690.07, and we can see that the price has finally made a bullish breakout above 2676. And what we can see for today, the price is trying to move higher, where the next target is, first of all, is this one here to 706, and then after that it is the resistance, a supply zone around this area of resistance to 720.47. I have also modified these levels today because I am adapting to the market to see where these levels are currently, and where you can see that I have it one more to 705.19, where is the next target, because we can see on the daily time frame between the current price level and this one here, we have first this one resistance here, which was to 706, and on the 4-hour time frame we can see that is precisely to 705.19. So these are the levels that the price is trying to move, but before that, if the price did not make a bullish breakout, if the price makes a bearish breakout, the price will go slightly down around to 690. And we can see why is that, because we can see that the first support level is here to 690.07. Here on the 4-hour time frame, I have a bullish breakout, which is indicating further rise in value, where to 705.19 is the target. And on the 1-hour time frame, we are currently at the resistance level that needs to be broken in order to continue to rise in value. And we can see the next level will be to 705.19. But if the price do not make a bullish breakout, we can see that below that we have first of all a support level at 2690.07. So for now, I'm waiting where the price will make a breakout. Will it go up or will it go down, making small retrace after this small bullish breakout on the daily time frame yesterday, and then after that I will see will the price continue to rise in value. But based on this one, what is the market overview and also the conditions, it shows me that we are going higher and targeting 270.47. But before that, we can see usually sometimes the price can make a retrace back down. Here we can see the price has formed this retrace back down before heading north, reaching this area of resistance. So if you would like also to receive this bullish or bearish breakout and also updates during the day, feel free to check the premium analysis. See you inside and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.